Nice and lovely, guys. So this is a minted lamb roast dinner. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I did earlier. This is some sweet potato already peel, and this is some potato which I peel them off. Simple boil them off about 10 minutes. This is a slice one. So what I'm gonna do is use spray light oil, olive oil. Little bit of pepper. Little bit of mixed herb. This is some garlic and salt. Very nice for use. Lovely. This one side. This is some lamb. Right. This is some minted lamb, tomato and red onion, garlic salt, little bit of pepper, and spray some light spray oil. The lamb is just mint and salt with pepper and a light spray oil. That's it. Now you can just cook this in the oven for 20 minutes. Alright? Very easy recipe, guys. Nice one. This is the lamb. White onion, red onion, tomato, and lamb. Beautiful. Alright, this is finished. This is fabulous. Look at it. That's exactly what I'm talking about. And now I'm gonna plate it up and make you guys can see. Nice one. Roasted potato with sweet roast potato. Fabulous. Here it is. Alright. Nice one. Let's check it. Nice. I'm gonna plate it up. And the plate make you guys can see. Alright. sweet potato. Red onion. Tomato. And this is the lamb. Carrot. And broccoli. What a meal. Nice. That's exactly what I'm talking about.